Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove applied video effects on your videos like this in CapCut PC. It's actually pretty simple. So as you can see, the effects I put is like in the video and like not on top of the track. So just select your video, go to basic, go to effects here in your video, and next to the names of the effects, just delete it. If your effect is on top like this, you can just simply select it and press delete. Super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.